Would you like to learn a step-by-step process to launch your first private label product on Amazon? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Private Label with Amazon FBA Masterclass. Follow along step-by-step as you actually watch me select and launch a private label product of my own. You will look over my shoulders as I research markets and select a product, find suppliers and manufacturers, and customize the inventory, source and ship the inventory from China, prepare my product inventory to arrive at the Amazon FBA warehouse, set up and optimize the product listing, launch the product on Amazon using Amazon FBA, and tons more. You can sell products for any niche, whether it's sport and fitness or kitchenware or gardening. This business is easy to get up and running, and anyone can do it. Develop your own brand, start your own home business, and add a new online income stream. Some startup costs are required, and the process can be time-consuming when first starting out, but being able to follow along with me step by step will give you a huge advantage. So go ahead and click that enroll button, and I'll see you in the course.